Hello everybody, this is Smart Gamer, and today we are going to be getting you an update on my global door closer. So, let's go ahead and show you the door speed. Door speed and latch. And no, I don't have the latch to go, sweep to go this slow. The cold weather is affecting it right now. It's probably, I'd say, somewhere almost maybe about 40 degrees outside. Nothing below 40 degrees, and the sweep is going really slow. And then the latch is going slow too. It's affected the latch. The latch was faster, but watch. And it speeds up a little at latch. See? It speeds up a little bit at the latch. So, we'll do it again. Yeah. I'm going to be trying to, or I may just leave it like this for now, and then later I'll see if the closer is gone, has been going back to its normal speeds, but right now it's slow, very slow. So yeah, see, it's really taking a while at latch. So anyways, that will be it.